Welcome to Monson Biogas Plant. We are here at a biogas plant owned by Axel Monser and Nature Energy and operated by these partners. We'll try to show you some of the technologies and facilities provided by Danish companies, how they work and how they operate it.
My name is Axel Monser and I have been farmer from 1976. Our farm is from this beginning in 76, where we have 43 hectares. Today we produce about 1600 hectares, also 1,600 hectares, and there are 1,000 of these hectares that are vegetable production, and we have about this 1600, there are 1,000 hectares with organic, and our plan we will transform to organic production in the future. And also we have produced eggs from 230,000 organic egg layer hens. So it's a lot, and we have 100 hectares with chicken garden for the birds and going out. And now we are nearly there where we can say we can produce all our fertilizer for our production. Here in our biogas plant, we per year produce about biogas for 450 tons biomass, and this biomass can give 20 million cubic meter methane. And this circle together with our farm is we use all the manure from the birds, we use something from the vegetables, and when we have used this biomass from this production, we take the methane out of the manure, and we use the production after the biogas to fertilizing in our vegetables production.
Per Hansen is the manager at the biogas facilities here, and Per will show us around to the facilities. This is part of the gas cleaning facilities provided by a company Amongas. It's an amine scrubber, and it's an upgrading facility to remove the CO2 from the biogas. This way you can upgrade the methane content in the gas from about 60-65 to around 98 or 99%. This is part of the gas cleaning facilities where we remove the CO2 from the biogas in these scrubber towers. The process is an amine process, and the amine liquid is cooled in this cooling tower. On the other side there's a scrubber tower where we have a removal of the sulfur. The gas from the biogas plant is used in the national gas grid, and this is a place where the gas is injected to the Danish gas grid. At the biogas plant they receive food waste as a pulp provided by a company, Gemidan, from the EcoG plant, and the pulp is received in this tank where it's hygienized. This is part of the gas cleaning facilities provided by the Danish company Biogas Clean, where the sulfur is removed from the biogas. This is part of the air cleaning facilities where the exhaust from the facilities behind here is cleaned before it's discharged to the chimney. In this building there's facilities to unload the trucks coming in with liquid manure. The plant is operated in two strings, one that is organically driven and one that is conventionally driven. That's why there's facilities to unload for two types of trucks here. And this is the pumping facilities where all the manure coming in and out is pumped through these facilities and through heat exchangers on the other side of this wall. Here behind us is the biogas reactors. 3 new tanks at 9,000 cubic meters each, and on the left side the 3 old ones with 7,500 cubic meters each. And it's steel tanks with top-mounted steers, and at the sides, at this side, storage facilities for the organic part of the degas biomass, and on the other side for the conventional degas biomass. In the background here is the upgrading facilities for the gas for the new part of the plant, and these facilities are provided by AmmonGas and Biogas Clean, and it's the same as the old one, to remove the CO2 and to remove the sulfur from the biogas. This is a pump installation provided by the company Vogelsang, and from here biomass is pumped to pre-mix installations. This is part of the gas upgrading facilities where the gas is compressed and where it has been dried, and this plant has been provided by the company AmmonGas. This is part of the storage facilities at the biogas plant where they store the solid biomass. Behind us is pulp from potato production, and the plant processes about 40,000 tons of this each year. This is part of the facilities where the solid biomass is coming in and is handled by this crane. All the processes and all the components in the biogas plant is managed from this, and there is a 24 hours surveillance of all of the processes here, and there can be call for operators if there's any malfunction. The system is provided by the company Nature Energy. We hope you find this interesting, and it's possible to have more information of this in this publication made by the project Biogas Go Global. It's possible to have more information on the homepage for the companies and for the homepage for the project. Thank you, Per, for showing around on the plant, and it has been a pleasure.
You're welcome.